Hello, this is the question 1 of homework 6. And for the question 1, find A so that the above defined is a valid joint density function. We know that if it is a valid joint density function, that it is equals to one of these, because x is from -1 to 1 and y is from -1 to 1, and this is a over 1 plus xy. So this is dx dy. It should be 1, so that is a valid function. And this is equals to uh, from -1 to 1, and inside is a, this is x equals, and it is equals to so a is equals to 4. And x and y uncorrelated. So if we want to know it is correlated or uncorrelated, we should know the ex, y is equals to ex multiply ey or not. And we know that exy is from -1 to 1 and -1 to 1, xy multiply fxy. It is equals to 1/9, and uh, ex is equals to -1 to 1 x fx dx. Fx is equals to -1 to 1 fxy dy equals this. So that the ex is equals to from -1 to 1 x over 2 dx equals 0. And the same of y, so ey is also 0. And we know that if exy equals 1/9 and not equals to ex multiply ey, so x and y are not uncorrelated. And for the question 3, are x and y independent? So because they are not uncorrelated, so they are not independent. And question 4, find the joint density function of x squared and y squared. So we can let z equals to x squared and w equals y squared. So the g, which is equals to 2x 0 0 y equals 4xy, and x equals to positive and negative z, and y equals to positive and negative w. So x and y have four rules. First rule is positive z and positive w, and the second is negative z and negative w. Third is positive z and negative w, and the fourth is negative z and negative w. So to get fzw, it is equal to the first one, positive z, positive w over over this, and plus the second one, negative z, positive w over and multiply the third one is positive z, negative w, and negative z, negative w. So plus them together, we can get the answer is 4. So we know that the joint density function of x squared and y squared is this 1 c between 0 and 1 and w between 0 and 1. So and it is equal to 0 otherwise, because x and y is between 0 and 1. And for the fifth question, prove or disprove that x squared and y squared are independent. So we know that fcw is 4cw, and we can get fz from 0 to 1. It is 2c1. So we can get fw in the same way. It is, so we know that fzw is equals to fz multiply fw. Because of this, we know that z and w are independent, so that x squared and y squared are independent.